Myself J Sahiti. Today topic name is change of order of integration in multiple integration integral subject linear algebra. Introduction to change order of integration. This presentation introduces this concept of changing the order of integration in multiple integrals. It is valuable technique to evaluate integrals that are difficult to compute in their original order. Understanding this concept is essential for solving complex integration problems efficiently. Multiple integrals overview. Multiple integrals extend this concept of single integrals to function of several variables. They are used to compute volumes, surface areas, and other quantities and higher dimensions. The order of integration refers to the sequence in which the integration are performed across different variables. And next is importance of changing the order of integration. Changing the order of can simplify the integrand or the limits of integration. It helps in situation where one order leads to easier calculations than the other. This technique is particularly useful when the region of integration is complex or irregular. And next is Fubian's theorem basics. Fubian's theorem provides the foundation for changing the order of integration. It states that if the function is integrable over a rectangular region, the order of integration can be interchanged. The theorem ensures the quality of multiple integrals when the limits are properly defined. And next is conditions for changing the order of integration. The region of integration must be a product of interval, a rectangular region, or be integrable in a suitable sense. The function must be continuous or integrable over the region for the theorem to apply. The limits of integration should be defined opportunely to facilitate switching the order. Visualizing region of integration. Graphical representation helps in understanding the region over which the integration occurs. Visualizing the region makes it easier to determine the new limits after changing the order. Sketching the region is a crucial step before performing the change of order. And next is producer for changing the order of integration. Step 1. Identify the region of integration and sketch it if possible. And step 2. Determine the limits for one variable in terms of the others. Step 3. Reverse the role of variables and find the new limits accordingly. And next is example 1. Double integral with a rectangular region. Consider the integral int 0 int x1 xy dy dx. The region is bounded x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and y equal to x2, y equal to 1. Changing the order involves rewriting the limits int 0 to 1 int 0y f of x dx dy. Example 2. Non-rectangular region. For the region bounded y equal to x2 and y equal to square root x, sketching the essential original integral might be set limits in term of x. Reversing the order of integration involves expressing x in terms of y and adjusting limits accordingly. Application of changing the order simplifies evaluation of integrals and complicated integrals or limits. Useful to calculating areas, volumes and mass distribution in physics and engineering. Facilitates solving integrals that are otherwise difficult to evaluate directly. Limitations and cautions. Not all regions or functions permit changing the order of integration. Care must be taken correct determine the new limits to avoid errors. Always verify the region and conditions before applying the change of order. Summary and key takeaways. Changing the order of integration is a powerful tool for simplifying multiple integrals. I rely on understanding the region of integration and apply Fubin's theorem. Proper visualization and careful determination of limits are essential for correct application. Conclusion and further resource. Mastering the change of order technique enhance problem solving skills and multivariable calculus. Practice with various regions and integrates to develop intuition and confidence. Additional resources include textbook, online tutorials and problem set for further learning.